That's what I
Goodness.
That was a good one.
Nikki B TV videos for everybody. Nikki B TV for you and me.
Good morning. Oh, God, it is bright in here. My tanning lamp. I had one of those when I was a kid, a tanning lamp. And guess what I'll have when I'm older? Probably skin cancer. Not joking. Okay.
That's some St. Louis.
That's some St. Louis in you, right? Hi, steaming your dress while it's on you. Not a good idea. It's Tuesday. Oh, heck. It's Tuesday. How you feeling about it, Kevin? Yeah, better than Monday. So, let's see what there's, who? Okay, I have a list of little things I want to talk about. I'm going to make it quick. Bless you.
Thank you.
First of all, a lot of you, okay, 4, that's a lot. 4 of you sent in pictures of your, wait, maybe it was only 3. I think it was only 3. 3 of you sent in pictures of yourselves with the stickers that I sent you. The other 30-something of you have not sent the pictures in yet, or maybe you have and I haven't found them. But I'm going to feature 3 of you today. Here they are. Look. Ta-da! Ta-da!
Ta-da!
How cute are the 3 of you? Thank you. God love you for putting your stickers and your notes and taking pictures and making me feel important. All right, keep them coming, you guys. I'm trying to get more stickers. What? What did you say?
Seems like it's real hard.
Another thing that I want to show you guys is this beautiful necklace. Dan Tholen sent this to me. I didn't know it was coming to me. I opened it up, opened up the box, and it was this. And I cried because it was such a sweet, thoughtful gesture that honestly melted me. So this is a little picture with my Gert. And I wear her on my neck, and I always touch her. And I just want to say thank you to Dan Tholen, because that was just amazing. Thank you. You made me cry. You want to say anything to the friends? And Dre, do you want to come in here? That's it? That's all you're doing? Kyle just went like this and waved. Dre is our intern. I adore her. I just wanted to show you guys who she is and how cute she is. Dre!
Hello.
Tell everybody something cool about yourself. Or it doesn't have to be cool. Just something about you.
I became a citizen of the United States like a couple months ago. So like I love America now and the Olympics were awesome.
Yay, welcome to America.
Citizen! Citizen! She became a citizen! Why does Kyle have a horrible, mean...
Citizen of before.
Venezuela.
Oh, Venezuela?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Kyle, is there something you want to say to Dre about
Kyle
becoming
thinks I'm a spy.
Yeah, Kyle thinks she's a spy.
Yeah, a Venezuelan spy.
That's hot.
I'm a commie man.
So that's Dre. Yeah, I'm going to get some emails about that. We love Dre. We want to keep her. We love her. Okay. And then there's Chris and Nick. We always have to do the daily hello.
Everybody.
And there's your best friend, Kevin. Just bursting with personality. Okay, so that's it. Tomorrow I will have probably a little feature segment about Bernadette. And
You can always bring her in, but oh wait, I ruined that.
oh yeah, I could bring her in,
No
but Chris
dogs allowed.
brought his dog Ezra in, and then we all got in trouble, and then there was a big memo that went out to everybody, no dogs allowed. So thanks, Chris. Way to ruin it.
Yeah, thanks.
Although Ezra was worth it. She's really freaking cute.
Call me Kyle.
Yeah, right?
That's
That's it. Okay. It's a little scattered, but that's all. Have a great day. Tomorrow's Wednesday. Ooh, I know. I know what we're going to do tomorrow. Okay, I'm not going to tell you. It's going to have to be a secret. All right. Bye, guys. Creepy, right?